Hello, welcome back. Let us work with percentage today. We have 3 questions we are going to solve together. The first question says, what is 35% of 80? The first thing that we are going to do is to change percentage into decimal. Then we are going to multiply. Let us do question number 1. We need 35% of 80, but we know 35%, this is equal to 35 over 100. This is equal to 0.35. Now, 35% of 80, of means you multiply, that is going to be 0.35 multiplied by 80. This is equal to 28. Let us do question number 2. What is 60% of 150? So let's do question number 2. They want 60% of 150. 60%, this is equal to 60 out of 100. This is equal to 0.60. Of means multiplication. Already 60% is equal to 0.60. So 0.60 multiplied by 150. This is equal to 90. Let us do question number 3. They say, what is 12% of 200? So we need 12% of 200. %12 is equal to 12 over 100. This is equal to 0.12. This is already in decimal, that is 0.12. 0.12 of means multiply by 200. That will give us 24. I hope you understand these questions. For more questions on percentage, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.